up guys, this is MM Vlogs.
And guys, guess where we are going today? Comment down below.
Yes.
Okay? So now we are gonna go to a farmhouse, guys.
Yes, so let's see you there.
Okay guys, so now we reached a farmhouse. So let's go in.
And I'm actually recording it.
Yeah guys, so Nihal is cameraman and
Yeah.
I'm doing the anchoring. So here,
But afterwards we're gonna switch and you can see right here.
guys, over here we have some.
It's called like the ancient way how to make a shelter.
Make a shelter, and guys, so yeah, we made it.
Yep.
So yeah, this is the entrance.
As you can see, and there's like one small mini park
Yeah,
on the
over here.
side.
Yeah, so there's
Right
like
over
some
here.
cars over here, and then
Yeah.
they did a painting in a big tank.
Yeah.
And over here, guys, look at this. Check this out.
Guys,
So
there's
over
like a football pitch.
Yeah,
as you
guys.
call.
And over there's some slides.
Yep, as you can see, there's a park, and we'll just go inside and then we'll show you that as well.
And over here, guys, so we can play football here. As you can see, there's some nets over
So
there.
we're going to show you a cool football pitch.
And guys, if you come here a little bit,
Let's
and
go a
over
little
here
bit
we have a
front.
stall.
Yep, there's
Over here, we
there's
have a
like
stall.
different ways of stalls as you can see.
So over here we have some vegetables, guys.
Yep.
Eat your veggies. I don't
good
know
for
why. Yeah, they're probably good for you. So over here we have something. This is bitter gourd. What is that?
That looks like some mini cucumber. As you can
Brinjals?
see, like
And those are mini brinjals.
Yeah.
And this is
Bitter
ripe bitter gourd. And this is some long thick things.
yeah, it's called like lady fingers. I feel like they can't look
They're
like
probably
lady
beans. Yeah, they're
fingers.
probably
And
beans.
guys, these are
have
actually
eggs.
there are animals, and these animals actually laid out all
Yeah,
these eggs
and
from the
guys.
birds.
Okay guys, so now over here, let's see all the other stuff.
Yeah. Right guys, so after we just saw that, all the stuff, we had actually came here, and as you can see, there's a really big ostrich, as you can see, and it's really big, and which I said, these are all the birds, which can even lay the eggs, which we showed in our starting of the video, and all
Guys.
the eggs came by the birds, and
Yeah,
it's
over
a
there.
really big ostrich, guys.
Yeah,
Now, just let's come over here, let's go to the front, and then don't
There's
think
one more big one
Guys,
here.
don't think there are only both.
There's
don't
so
think
much.
only- Yeah,
And guys, over here there's a really big playground. Our brothers and sisters are swinging over there.
right there.
And over here
And,
it's really
and
big.
don't think the animals are only birds, guys. There are more. Don't
Yeah,
worry.
guys.
And there's some birds just came out.
Yeah, those birds just like jumped out of this and they came out over
Yes,
there.
guys, the birds can actually fly. If you didn't know that.
Yeah.
The birds can actually fly, so it actually just flies inside from outside.
Okay, so now let's go here.
Yeah.
So over here there are some cars.
And it's really sketchy.
Yeah, guys. So now these are before working and now they don't work, so they kept it as some toy.
And as you can see, there's even one. Just comment down below if you know what's this, but it's kind of cracked, as you can see. Cameraman, just like zoom in a little bit.
Yeah, guys. So here
Yeah.
it's cracked and over here also it's broken.
So we can't actually ride it basically.
And guys, so this is, comment down below what is this, and yeah, so this is a
And if
seesaw.
you turn away from that, it is.
This is for tennis, I think so.
You
And
play tennis or volleyball.
and guys, there's a free football here.
Guys, there's a football. We actually brought a football, but I guess we don't need it because we already have one.
Yeah, found a new one. So here, for the outline, there are some tires shoved into the sand over here. And okay, guys, so now
Guys, I'm just messing with the ball as
yeah, so
because I
now-
needed to play a little bit. And now let's check more of the animals. Woo.
Oh yeah, so now let's see some more animals. So here there's a gate. And
Yes, guys, there's actually a really big gate.
guys, this is the same ancient shelter
Shelter?
thing. No, it's not.
I think this is like some haze, guys. If you don't know, I feel like it's haze, but I'm not sure. Just Google it out.
Oh guys, so now over here those chickens are like.
Yep, there are like more chickens, but don't worry, guys. There are more animals.
Oh my god, guys!
Guys, this is a chicken. Guys, this is chicken escape. Oh my god.
And
And
guys,
guys-
so now let's go here.
Yep.
And over here, guys, we have some birds. They are pigeons, I guess.
And they don't. And guys, they do poop, so don't
Yeah.
get alarmed.
They smell really bad over here. And
Yeah.
guys, this is a feather. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. So now look at this. Over
Guys, there
here
are
we
some
have a
peacocks.
peacock.
Look at that beautiful peacock.
Look at that beautiful
And I'm going
peacock.
to put it side by side. Here's like the picture of the peacock, and here is the real peacock.
And guys, the neck looks really
I know,
colorful
guys.
and
This
beautiful.
is actually my third time in the whole of my whole life seeing a peacock, guys.
Okay guys, so now over here.
So if you see a peacock, don't miss a chance. Like take
Yeah.
pictures of it and everything.
Yeah guys. Because they can go extinct one day also.
Yeah.
And guys, here are some roosters over here.
Yes,
As you can
guys.
see, they're like a little bit bigger than normal chickens. And
Yeah.
they
And now,
are
guys,
really,
after
really
this, we
cute.
are actually going to see the goats. So let's go then. So guys, so now we actually saw the goats. They are right over here. And guys, actually in M cubing video,
One goat just jumped over here and
Yeah.
almost took all my vlogging stuff.
yeah.
So now that's why the goats are a little bit far now. We just shoo them away.
Oh my God,
So-
guys! It's even really smelly, but look at all that beautiful.
Look at that goats. And guys, so now they are eating the grass over there. That's their food.
And guys, so now we are actually going to go up here.
Over there in that
Yeah,
the
chair. It's
Yeah.
like a tree house, like a mini tree house. So
And-
let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so now we have reached the stairs. So now meet you up there. Okay, so now we reached the top. So here, this is in the top of a tree over here, as you can see. And guys, so this is made of metal. This
Yeah,
it's made of metal.
like the platform.
Yeah. Okay, so now there's a table over here, and
There are some couches.
Over here, there are orange couches. And guys, so as you can see, the animals we just love, guys. The goats.
Yeah, the goats. You can see like all the views.
Yeah, and over there are some chickens.
Yeah, guys, let me zoom in a little bit.
Yeah, it's gonna show you that. So let's go.
Guys, now we actually reached the biggest ducks I've ever seen. Guys, just comment down below if you saw this much ducks, guys, because this is a lot of ducks.
And guys, so now these are all. There are some chickens, there are some ducks, and there are some roosters. And guys, they are making a lot of quack noises. And over there, if I zoom in a little bit, they are all eating some food. Their food, we can't see that right now.
Because it's actually in a blue bucket.
Yeah, and over here there's a tree, as you can see.
Yeah.
So now let's explore some more
And the
stuff.
environment is really good.
Okay, just
Okay, so now we actually just like we randomly walked somewhere and we came.
and so guys, if you did not know, we can stay over here. So now these are the apartments, as you can see. There are just very few because it's a farmhouse, you know. And over here, guys, there's a jacuzzi, but then it's closed. I don't know if you can see properly, but then there's some water over here.
Yeah, guys.
And guys, over here inside,
Pool, but it's not actually allowed to go inside it because
guys,
there are already
only the people who live here for 1 day or 2 days, they only can go.
which is pretty sad. I wish we
Yeah,
could even
and guys, the
show
pool
you.
is really big.
Yeah,
I will
it's
try
really
to.
large too.
I will try to put a photo right here of the pool. I'm not
Yeah.
sure if I can find. Okay,
We'll try
guys, so
to
now.
find the pool and
now-
then we'll just show you that because
Yeah.
we can't actually show the view in it.
Yeah, because there are some people already
Yeah.
bathing over there, and we
So
don't
now
want to invade their
let's-
privacy.
Yeah, so now we are actually going to check out all the plants because obviously we need environment, so we stay alive. Because of plants, we get oxygen. So let's go.
Let's go. Okay, guys, so now let's go inside this thing. So, guys, over here now there are the plants. We're gonna show you all those plants. And okay, guys. So first we have these. These are the bitter gourds. In the starting of the video, we showed you the stall, and this is where they get their bitter gourd from.
Yep.
So guys, over here, before, if you saw my video in MMQing, guys, just check it out. The link will be in the description of the same video.
And even
So
mine cool.
there were a lot of plants and melons over here,
Yeah,
but then
guys.
now they took it out because they were ripe and yeah.
So now
yeah,
they're actually like fully like they're still planting like the melons.
yeah, now
melons
now
are
they
still
started
growing.
planting and the little bit crops are growing, as you
Yeah.
can see.
As you can
Yeah.
see, this is like a really good
And
view.
now
in the back some melons are
yeah,
already growing.
over there. Okay, guys, so now let's see more plants. Oh. Okay, guys, so now over here, this
As
is
you can see, there are so many
Yeah.
melons
and guys, over here it's a deformed old melon.
yeah, guys.
And guys, over there, as you can see, small melons are growing right now.
And there are so many melons now.
Yeah,
as you can
guys,
see.
so
But they're still
this
growing.
is- yeah. And guys,
They're still growing. They're not fully finished.
So now let's explore more.
Okay, guys. So now we actually just saw some plants, as we said.
And over
And
here,
this
it's
looks
a
really
purple
cool.
plant. And
Yeah,
guys,
guys.
I don't know what is that. Comment down below if you know.
Yep. And guys, we are actually going to come in front. And all these. Look,
And guys, these are really
Oh,
old
guys.
cabbages.
They're actually
And
spiky.
guys,
even.
they're really spiky. I don't know if you can see, but but then they're really spicy.
Yeah, guys, it actually just spiked me when I was trying to touch it. So, guys, don't touch it if you just come here.
And guys, so now these are the big ones of those. These are the
Okay,
adults.
these are not that. They look spiky, but guys, they are actually not spiky.
And guys, they look really
zoom
good.
in. Oh, guys, my friend is going to zoom it for you. For a cool. Oh my God, look at that.
Guys,
Look at it. It looks so spiky, but guys, I'm really touching it. It's not even spiky.
Okay, so now let's.
Oh, guys, look at this. There's some flowers even. Yay!
Oh, that looks really
Look at that beautiful flower.
And over here, there's a bud. Over here.
And there are a lot of flowers right over here, Ian.
Okay, guys, so now let's go a little bit front.
Oh, these are dry leaves, guys.
Yeah,
Look
guys,
at
they're
that.
really
If
cute.
you touch it. Yeah, this is like a piece
Okay,
of
guys,
dry
so now over here, guys, look at all these cabbages.
No, guys, they're still growing enough in it.
And guys, they look really good. Like, look at this one. They look really
And
good.
guys, look at that vegetable.
These are radishes, but then they're old and they're deformed, so they threw them away.
Guys, so now we're going to go a little bit more front. So let's see you there. Alright guys, so now we actually just saw a lady finger.
So guys, in my MM cubing video, these are really short, and we
now
saw baby
we
lady
came
finger.
after a long time and look
guys,
at
look
this.
at
This
these.
is a full form lady finger.
And guys,
this one is going to be, it's still growing.
It's growing, and guys, it's really spiky. I don't know if you can see, but then it's really spiky. I just got hurt.
And there are, and look
Yeah,
at that.
guys. Okay, guys. So now let's see a little bit more.
And guys, there's some
Yeah, let's see a little bit more. So over here, these are cabbages. These are same to same over there. So these are red cabbages. And guys, we cannot walk here. That's why we can't go so much front. So now let's explore a little bit more.
Yeah. Alright guys, so now you think like why we're not going to eat anything during all this fun time.
So guys, so we have some candy over
Yep.
here, as you can see.
We have some Starburst because you know, obviously we're going to eat some snacks.
And guys, so now let's do some football tricks.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna do the normal rainbow. Comment down below if you know what is it.
Alright guys, so now I'm going to do the name rainbow. Comment down below if you know what this is. Guys, for extreme playing and doing all the trick shots, we practiced a lot, and now the dinner just came. Yep guys, here's all the table. As you can see, all the tables are already ready because for us to eat.
Okay guys, so now let's go eat.
Right guys, actually now our food came,
So let's see it.
and as you can see,
So over here, as you can see, over here we have paneer. Okay guys, and over here we have Kerala parota.
and for the drinks, we have some cola.
And guys, this all is so good. And guys, it was really expensive. So like, come on, subscribe. You
So
know,
guys, we'll really appreciate if you
subscribe. to our
like, subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Yes.
Okay guys, so
So now we're going to do the outro in the car. Let's go. Guys, we got some dessert, which is ice cream.
And guys, so now these are really good. Guys, we got 2 scoops of strawberry ice cream. And guys, they are bomb. So let's do the outro.
Alright guys, so now we're going to do the outro.
Guys, please subscribe over here.
Yep.
Please hit the like button over here, and please hit the bell button over here.
Yeah.
And guys, right over
This is
here.
our last video,
last
right
video,
over here.
and the subscribe button is somewhere over
In the
here.
middle.
Yeah, guys. So just come on,
Just
subscribe.
just guys subscribe.
And guys, so that's it for this video.
This is
Sam
Vlogs. We're out.
Peace.